Welcome back to the channel, everyone! If you've been waiting for the perfect time to upgrade your laptop, especially during holiday sales, then today's video is exactly what you need. Imagine a large 17.3-inch display, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, modern DDR5 memory, and the reliability of Windows 11, all packed into a laptop designed for productivity, entertainment, and everyday use. Today, we are diving deep into the Machenike Machcreator N17A 17.3-inch laptop. We'll break down its design, display quality, performance, keyboard experience, ports and connectivity, real-world usage scenarios, and finally, who this laptop is best for. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Machenike is a brand that has been gaining serious attention in recent years, especially among users who want high specifications at competitive prices. Known primarily for gaming and creator-focused machines, Machenike has expanded its lineup to include laptops that balance performance, screen size, and affordability. The chassis has a clean and professional look, suitable for both office environments and home setups. The build feels solid, designed to sit comfortably on a desk, making it ideal as a desktop replacement. Despite its large size, the laptop maintains a balanced design that doesn't feel overly bulky. This makes it practical for users who occasionally move their laptop between rooms or locations. One of the biggest highlights of the Machcreator N17A is its 17.3-inch Full HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Let's break that down. A 17.3-inch screen gives you significantly more screen real estate compared to standard 15.6-inch laptops. This means easier multitasking, better spreadsheet and document viewing, more immersive movie and video watching, comfortable editing timelines, and large dashboards. The full HD resolution ensures that text remains sharp and images look clear. Meanwhile, the 120Hz refresh rate delivers smoother scrolling, more fluid animations, and an overall premium visual experience. For everyday users, this means less eye strain and a noticeably smoother feel when browsing, working, or watching videos. Under the hood, the Machcreator N17A is powered by an Intel 4-core processor. While this is not a high-end gaming CPU, it is perfectly suited for office applications, web browsing with multiple tabs, online meetings, media playback, light creative tasks. The quad-core setup ensures responsive performance for daily workloads. Whether you're writing documents, creating presentations, attending virtual classes, or managing emails, the system remains smooth and reliable. This processor strikes a good balance between performance and power efficiency, which is ideal for long working sessions. Another standout feature is the inclusion of 8GB DDR5 RAM. DDR5 memory offers faster data transfer speeds, improved efficiency, better multitasking compared to DDR4. With 8GB of DDR5 RAM, you can comfortably run multiple applications simultaneously. Keep dozens of browser tabs open. Switch between tasks without lag. For students simultaneously. Keep dozens of browser tabs open. Switch between tasks without lag. For students, professionals, and casual creators. This amount of RAM provides a smooth and frustration-free experience. The Machcreator N17A comes with a 256GB SSD, which plays a huge role in overall system responsiveness. An SSD means faster boot times, quick application launches, smooth file transfers. While 256GB may not be massive, it is sufficient for Windows 11, essential software, documents and media files. Additionally, users who require more space can easily rely on external drives or cloud storage. Typing comfort is extremely important on a large laptop, and Machenike delivers well here. The Machcreator N17A features a backlit keyboard, making it easy to work in low-light environments. The keys are well-spaced, offering a comfortable typing experience for long sessions. The inclusion of a numeric keypad is a big plus for students, data entry professionals, anyone working with numbers regularly. The touchpad is responsive and accurate, supporting Windows 11 gestures smoothly. Connectivity is another area where this laptop shines. You get HDMI port for external displays or projectors, SD card reader for photographers and content creators, USB ports for peripherals, Wi-Fi for fast wireless connectivity, webcam for video calls and online meetings. These ports make the Machcreator N17A a versatile machine for both home and office use, eliminating the need for excessive dongles. The built-in webcam is perfect for Zoom meetings, online classes, video calls with friends and family. Combined with Windows 11 optimization, the video and audio experience is reliable for everyday communication needs. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 offering a modern and clean interface, improved productivity features, better window management, enhanced security. Windows 11 feels smooth on this hardware, especially thanks to the SSD and DDR5 RAM combination. Thanks to its large 17.3-inch display and 120 Hz refresh rate, the Machcreator N17A is excellent for entertainment. Watching movies, streaming content, or browsing social media feels immersive. The large screen makes it easy to enjoy content without constantly zooming or scrolling. This laptop can easily double as a home entertainment system. So there you have it. The Machenike Machcreator N17A 17.3-inch laptop. A large, smooth 120 Hz display. Dependable Intel performance. Modern DDR5 RAM and a comfortable keyboard experience make this laptop a strong contender, especially during holiday sales. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest laptop reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.